In this video, I'm going to show you how you can double your incomes and make over $100 every single day. And this crypto exchange we'll be using is one of the most used crypto exchange platform, which is known as Bybit. Now, the method we'll be using to make this $100 is known as the Bybit Copy Trading strategy. Now, before we proceed, if you don't have an account with Bybit, you just have to use the link below to get started. And by using my link below to get started, you can stand a chance to win over $250 worth of bonuses. Now, this video is going to be as detailed as possible, and I'm going to show you the exact way to get it done perfectly. And never forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. So now the first question is, what is copy trading? And copy trading is basically a system of trading where one trader's trading position is copied by another trader. So in a simple term, copy trading involves taking advantage of the trading position of other traders. So that means there's one guy at the top which is a master trader, and there are other branches of traders, and people are making a lot of money from this system of trading. Although there are other copy trading platforms, but the exchange we'll be using is this Bybit Copy Trading platform, which is very easy to use. So the Bybit Copy Trading platform aims to bring master trader, which is the principal traders and followers, a fair, transparent and a win-win trading experience. And over 270,000 users have joined the system and already making money from it. So for you to get started, you just have to use the link below to create an account, or you log into your dashboard if you already have an account. So now from your dashboard, you just have to hover through this derivative section. Then you scroll down and click on copy trading. Then it will take you directly to the copy trading market section on Bybit. And just as you can see, this is your Bybit copy trading dashboard. You can see your total asset and also your total PNL from your right. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the principal market traders. And this is where all the win-win transactions are carried out to make consistent profits over time. And taking a look on the master traders, you can see their personal data like their win rate and also their return on investment in the last 90 days. So I'm going to show you how to spot the best master trader. But now one important question is that, is it profitable trading using Bybit Copy Trading? Well, the answer is a very big yes, because the Bybit Copy Trading platform allow users to copy and execute their master trade, and in return their master will earn 11% of their followers' commission. And all these master traders you are seeing here, they are crypto day traders, and they perform almost all the work done in analyzing, both in technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So with the followers, we just have to copy their trade and make profit as they are making profits. Now imagine copying the trade of this master trader in the last 7 days, and it started with a capital of $100. By the end of the 7 days, you would have made up to 100% of your capital. And take note, before you copy any position of a master trader, you must make sure that you take a deep dive into their profile to see their past record. So for you to get all the master traders, you just have to click on this icon that says view more, and with that all the master traders will show up to you. So you just have to select the one you want to use, then copy each trade. And you can also see their data from the 7-day return on investment to the win rate. And one factor to consider is this option that says 7-day drawdown. This is basically the rate by which these master traders lose trade. Now maybe in the future you have understood crypto and you know how to trade crypto, you can come to this Bybit Copy Trading section, then click on this icon that says join as a trader, and on this section you'll be able to join as a trader, whereby people will copy your trade and you will get 11% from their own trade, and you can even earn more by doing that. So now the total number of followers a master trader can get is between 250 followers to 500 followers, and in some cases the number of followers to a master trader is already completed, so you cannot join that team. That's why you can say full. So you just have to look for other master traders like this one that's the copy icon is still showing, then you copy it or a trade. Now to this extent, if you are still watching the video and you enjoy the content, then liking this video and dropping a sub will be appreciated. So make sure you like the video right now. Now when I click on this master trader Messiah Benita, you'll be able to see all his data and information, and from what you can see, his total asset is 5,499 USDT. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the 7-day return on investment, which is 8%, and a cumulative profit of $4,000. And when you look at his 7-day win rate, you'll be able to see that it is 100%. And you can see that he has a total trade of 37 trade, and out from the 37 trade he won 29 trades and also lost 4 trades. it. Now after you have seen a good master trader, you just have to click on this icon that says copy, or you go through the person's profile directly. Then from the profile you're able to see all the information I talked about, and you can see this icon that says copy. And you can also subscribe to this master trader so that you always get notification anytime it makes trade. And with that, you just have to click on this copy icon, then wait for it to load up. So from this sub menu, you'll be able to see this option that says enter your margin in the range of $10 to $2,000. This is the option whereby you just have to input the amount that you want to trade with. And below it, you'll be able to see this leverage setting, and I would suggest that you don't use more than 10x leverage, you understand. Under the leverage, you'll be able to see this stop loss ratio. So this stop loss ratio, I would like to put it on 20%. So that means when you trade this against you by 20%, the transaction will close. Or you can also edit the stop loss to be like 10%, you understand. So you just have to scroll down, and when you look closely, you'll be able to see this option that says take profit ratio per order. So I would suggest you just put it around 30% or 40%. So with that all set, you just have to click on this I read and I understand, then click on copy now. And remember, before you can copy any trade, you need to have a balance on your Bybit account in USDT. So if you don't have any crypto on your wallet, you just have to come to this buy crypto section, then go to the peer-to-peer trading market. Then from this peer-to-peer trading market, you'll be able to buy crypto directly from your bank account. And also another means for you to get crypto in your Bybit account is to deposit from another exchange, which I'm going to do. So for you to deposit crypto from another exchange to this your Bybit exchange, you just have to hover around this buy crypto icon, then scroll down, and you can see this option that says crypto deposit, then you click on it. So the next thing to do is to select the crypto you want to deposit. I would suggest you go by USDT, then you just have to wait for it to load up and select the network. Then I'm going to send USDT to this my address. So from my Binance, I will just have to go to my withdraw section, and on my withdraw section I just got to click on USDT, then select the network, you understand. I've already saved my Bybit USDT address, so I just got to click on account, then select USDT Bybit, then click on confirm. So I'm just going to withdraw 20 USDT to show you how it is done. Then I just have to select the network which is on the TRC20 network and click on confirm. And remember, they are going to remove their charges, so I'm just going to input 22 USDT, then click on withdraw. Then after that, I confirm the withdrawal. Now after inputting all the OTP, I just got to click on submit, then wait for it to load up, and you can see that it's already successful. So upon waiting for my deposit to arrive on my Bybit account, you can see that this user is already filled up. So I'll just have to look for another master trader. So after searching through, I come across this King of Deluxe, so I'm just going to click on copy. Then with that, I click on I understand, then click on copy trade, then wait for it to load up, and automatically you have copied this guy's trade, and this is just how it is. So in conclusion, you can make over $100 every single day by taking advantage of this process, and you can also earn more by increasing your capital. So if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you show it by dropping a like, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative content like this. And as you already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.